We shall never be divided, for the union makes us strong.
Nĩ thikũ mũgwanja hĩtũku kuma kĩama kĩa aruti a wĩra a mayunibacĩtĩ UASU kũrekereria notithi ya thikũ mũgwanja ya kwambĩka mũgomo wao kũngĩkinya atĩ thirikari ndĩgũkorwo ĩkĩmarĩha mbeca ciao kũringana na ũiguano wao wa ngirimiti ya mwaka mũhĩtũku.
We are here today to issue a strike notice. We shall be withdrawing our labor as members of the academic staff in public universities in Kenya. We are disappointed that after all efforts, after we have negotiated our CBAs, signed them and registered in court, the government has failed to honor the CBAs as negotiated and registered.
Ona thengia ya Minister wa Gĩthomo Julius Ogamba kuuga atĩ nĩ arĩkĩtie kũgĩa na gĩikaro hamwe na kamĩtĩ ya gĩbũrũri ya aruti a wĩra a mayunibacĩtĩ na ministry ya kĩgĩna, rĩu UASU merumĩte kĩni na kuuga atĩ mũgomo wao ũrĩa ũbatiĩ kwambĩrĩria rũciũ ndũratĩra kũngĩkinyĩrĩra atĩ mbeca ciao itigũkorwo cingĩrĩte thĩinĩ wa akaunti ciao.
We are working with Treasury as we speak to ensure that that money is released within the next 2 weeks or by the end of this month. As we speak, we'll be getting some confirmation from Treasury as to which is the actual date when that exchequer will be released. And this information, once passed to UASU, they will then have a discussion and see whether it is enough for them to be able to withdraw the notice and continue with the studies until that money is paid.
Last evening, I met NEC, I met delegates, and they told me categorically that we instructed you to issue a strike notice with 3 demands. 1, the release of 2.73 billion. And I'm under firm instruction that before 2.73 billion hits our members' accounts, then dons will be out on strike.
UASU maugĩte atĩ makoretwo o magĩtwo mĩcemanio ya kũmahe ciĩranĩro no ĩndĩ matikoretwo makĩona ciĩko igĩkĩka, no Minister Ogamba augĩte kĩgĩna nĩ kũharĩrio kĩraharĩrĩrio.
The government is committed to fulfill the obligations that were provided for in the CBA, in the return to work formula that was signed, so that we can be able to continue keeping our students in school and our lecturers in class.
We shall never be divided, for the union makes us strong.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Dan Chege.